Hello, great people. Welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. Considering the way things are happening in the country, most people had believed, or most people believe even till now, that if presidency is rotated the way it should be, it will help out. Now, fairly recently, we've given a report about what Bala Mohammed had to say about the issue of rotating presidency. For him, he feels that, he was the one that championed he was a lead person in the PDP review committee looking at the 1999 presidential election and also the forthcoming 2023 elections. He came up and in his report, he said that there was no need for rotational governance, that's for rotational leadership or presidency, that he was, because of the situation on ground, that everyone should be given an opportunity to select whoever he wants, and people should present themselves just like that. But then when he was recommending, he said he was good with Northeast and Southwest. But, this is absolutely wrong. If you want to be, if you know what is happening in this country, you know that most of the agitations and the anger and the troubles that are going on in the country is traceable to this issue of marginalization. Poor representation, principle of federal character has been downtrodden. Nobody cares again to distribute position the way it ought to be, and it's causing a lot of issues. Now, not to take you too far, one of the renowned president or former president of Nigeria has spoken up about this issue, and that's what we just want to look at. He did not just talk about it alone, he has also emphasized on the issue of insecurity. Now, according to the news, ahead of the 2023 presidential election, a former head of state, General Yakubu Gowon, has called for the zoning and rotation of the presidency among the 6 geopolitical zones of the country. This, he said, remain paramount for tranquility, development, and growth of the country. Gowon, who spoke yesterday at the 100th anniversary of the Barewa Old Boys Association, BUBA, on the topic Barewa College at Centenary, past, present, and future, also recommended that there should be 2 vice presidents, one from the zone where the president hails, and the other should be elected and voted to power during the presidential election. Also, among the 19 northern states, the Nigerian presidential position should be rotated. He stated that no ethnic group is better outside the nation than inside, as one united Nigeria. He noted that insecurity was giving the northern region a bad name and image. The former Nigerian leader noted insecurity is giving the Nigerian region a bad name and image, and the need to make the north peaceful again cannot be overemphasized. Banditry, kidnapping, and have threatened the peace and tranquility needed for educational development in our land. Insecurity in any nation threatens development, law, and order. Insecurity must be ruthlessly dealt with collectively to pave way for the development of the educational sector and development. He also said that the governorship position in all states of the Federation should be rotated among the 3 senatorial districts in each state, adding that this will help lessen the burden and cry of marginalization. Gowon stressed the need for the nation to be united, saying any attempt to scrap the power of local government should be rejected. According to him, he said, Barewa College has produced leaders in all facets of life. Barewa College alumnus has been working together for the development of North and Nigeria. The federal government and 19 northern state governors support the school and its sisters colleges. Although the state has also suffered neglect with a change of leadership, it is gradually improving and more hard work is required to sustain the momentum. He also advised the BUBA to be more concerned about the future of the northern states as the region remain poor according to World Health Organization indices. On his part, the Sultan of Sokoto, Alhaji Muhammad Said Abubakar, said the children of the poor in the north, often described as talakawas, were never prevented from going to school, debunking a statement that the northern elite did not allow the children of the talakawa to go to school. The Sultan said such statement was false and should be disregarded. Speaking at the event, the Sultan said every northerner should speak against the statement. As a child, I attended the same school with children of our Dogara and Talakawa, he said. He also stressed the need to support girl child education, saying the girl child remain one of the best children to train because she is she is in turn managing the home and train children to behave positively in the society. According to him, he said, we will continue to support and educate our children. If we are against education, why are we spending millions to train our children? He also praised General Gowon for speaking up and providing solutions to some of the salient issues in the country. He added that dialogue remained the best solution to solve the nation's problem. Wow. For me, this is a good one coming from the former president of Nigeria, talking about retired General Gowon. Now, if you look at some of the things that have happened in this country, most of them are traceable to the anger of marginalization. You do something, call me put. You did this, I was not invited. There was no recognition that came to my senatorial district. How can all of these people be selected? Not even one is coming from me. Principle of federal character has been downtrodden, especially by this administration. When Nigerians were agitating for a change in our security architecture, most people had believed that when they want to nominate or possibly appoint new service chief, that it will be equally distributed, evenly distributed. But shockingly, it happened that it's just going one direction, though some were going to other places. But then, for me, I was feeling that since a particular geopolitical zone was overly marginalized, to prove to them that this was not true was for us to co-opt them into, the military. At least appoint somebody who is from there, who is apt, because I know whether you like it or not, there is someone who is very apt, who from each of the geopolitical zone appoint the person to sit in as one of the security leads in this country. That was not done. The anger of marginalization is what is causing all Igbo who is screaming, shouting, IPOB leader, Nnamdi Kanu, all of that. Date back to 2013 when the current, that's Nnamdi Kanu, started all this shouting. One of his messages was that we have been overly marginalized. And it was, for me, I felt that was the right time for things to be done amicably. Co-opt these people into the system. Make use of their intelligence. Ensure that we restructure this nation so that people can concentrate and work for their own states. This will help a great deal. But delay, and this is where we are. Now, even though things have gone out of hand, people are tired. For example, Sunny Igboho has already vowed that Yoruba nation must be a reality. Everything must work the way they want it to work, and he's ready to stand against anybody who will stop him from realizing, Odua Republic. But at the same time, amidst all of everything, don't spoil, you understand? Everything has gotten bad, you understand? But then, let's do our best. Let's begin to bring in people. Let's make sure principle of federal character begins to work effectively. Let us begin to show care towards fighting in insurgency and banditry. The issue of open grazing, we can fix it. And how would it be fixed? The president to come out with an executive order that from now henceforth, open grazing must stop. And you make sure that the authorities concerned, talking about the military, they go in to ensure that it's a reality. Automatically, some of the people who are in support of this secession move, a lot of them will start drifting closer and closer. If we think that the project One Nigeria is worth it, we must learn to change our mind. We must learn to bend to the left and bend to the right so that everybody can stay together and be happy. That's where I like to leave it. Go to